A classic Italian-American dish featuring succulent shrimp sautéed in rich, flavorful sauce. Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp scampi, a classic dish. This is so easy and delicious. We'll prepare all my ingredients and then start cooking. Let's get started. To start, we need to mince some garlic. Smash the garlic cloves with the side of your knife. They will pop right out of the shell. After peeling all the garlic cloves, then slice them very finely or mince them and put them aside. Next, I will wash some parsley, remove the thick stems and finally dice them, and we'll put them aside. Next, I will prep the shrimp. To make it easy, I'm using peeled and deveined shrimp. I also remove the tails. My kids like these removed, but if you want to keep it, the tail will add more flavor to the dish. With all your prep done, place a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and heat until the butter has melted and the oil is warm. Once the oil is hot and shimmering, add the diced garlic carefully to the skillet. Stir the garlic constantly and be careful not to saute it for more than about a minute. As soon as it becomes fragrant and lightly aromatic, it is ready. Do not burn the garlic. Next, add your first batch of shrimp to the hot skillet in a single layer. Do not overcrowd the pan so each piece can sear properly and get that beautiful color. When the first batch is done and cooked truly, remove them from the pan and add the second batch, repeating the same process. Once the second batch is cooked, add the first batch back into the pan. Now it's time to add your seasoning. Sprinkle a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half a cup of freshly chopped parsley, half a cup of white wine, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of capers, and 1 tablespoon of thyme. Now it's time to cook some pasta. In a large pot, boiled water, add olive oil, a bit of salt. I'm using linguine. Add about 1.5 pounds of linguine to the boiling water. Stir gently so the strands don't stick together and cook until the pasta is al dente, tender but still slightly firm to the bite. This process will take about 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure you put aside a little bit of a pasta water. We will use this to thicken the sauce. To help thicken the sauce, add some of the reserved pasta water. Start with a little, then simmer the sauce while stirring. The starchy pasta water will help the sauce become thicker and cling better to the pasta as reduced and thickens. The pasta is cooked and drained. Now I add the sauce to the pasta and toss everything together so the flavors combine all together and become beautifully flavorful. I hope you guys love this recipe. Please let me know how you serve your shrimp scampi. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future delicious recipes. See you in the next video.